Aesthetic would be a...
Got in the act. Can you say hi to the camera? What a BTS money.
But yeah, I'm very, very happy to have seen and to be part of this occasion with my brother, my only brother in the family. He is one of the best people that I know, one of the most patient and understanding. At the same time, he is kind, which you cannot say about a lot of people in the family. So, but yeah, kidding around, I'm very, very happy, and we are here, all of us here, the people here. We promise to be with you, whatever time that you spend. If you need us, we will always be here. Financially, according to Ate Gigi, or whatever, you have a lot of guides with us, people who have been through marriage and who are in marriages. So please be afraid to ask for help. But again, you guys deserve everything that you are getting right now, and you work very hard for this. So congratulations, and we will always be here.
I'm one of Sam's college best friends. I'm also her thesis partner and an all-around emotional support human during our college days and sometimes until today. So we met back in 2012. So among pinakadako nga problema radyo datong time is makapasar og exams, makasag-o sa mga personality disorders, makamit og deadlines, and also kung unsaon pag-surprise si Jaira o si Sam sa ilang birthday. So through the years, we've seen Samantha through just about every version of herself. In love, heartbroken, gikapoy, quietly grieving, and wildly hopeful. She is fiercely loyal, deeply kind, and I always say this to anyone, to everyone I meet, and who's also a friend of Samantha. She's one of the strongest person I know. She's been through seasons of life that would knock most people down, but she stood tall, carried herself with grace, and a heart that never stopped giving. And today, seeing her glowing, happy, and so fully loved, I couldn't be prouder. Of course, today is also tender in a quiet way. For those of us who know her story, there are two important people who aren't physically here, iyahang mama and papa. And I know with every part of my heart that they are watching from above, beaming with pride. They are watching this beautiful woman they raised, sitting here, radiant in love, and surrounded by people who adore her. And they are so incredibly proud of her strength, proud of her kindness, and proud of the life she's built. Today, I stand here honored to speak for them in a way, not to replace them because no one ever could, but as someone who loves Sam like family. And I know they don't have to worry, because Sam's family just got bigger, her future became brighter, and her heart, already so full, has found a partner in Well Done, who sees her, loves her, and holds space for everything she is. To Sammy, my Sammy, you've always been so brave, so brave, even when it was so hard. And now, you get to face everything ahead with someone who sees all that you are and chooses you every single day. To Well Done, thank you for loving my friend in a way that lets her be all that she is. Bold, soft, samok, wise, arte, joke, and everything in between. May your days be filled with laughter that comes easy, arguments that ends in hugs, and maybe more than hugs, and quiet moments that remind you why you chose each other in the first place. We are all so happy for you. We celebrate you, and here's to your forever.
Sam and I are friends for almost a decade. We became friends since college, and we've had our fair share of unforgettable memories. From going home, from school every day, sometimes a lot of days, to walking to the rest of the night just talking about random things like academics, other than that one, leadership, and of course, boys. Wow. Looking back from celebrating our birthdays together, sometimes even falling in love and getting our hearts broken together, I believe we grew up well, and I'm proud of you. While life may be difficult at times, and I have witnessed how difficult it was for you, I truly admire how you have handled everything with great strength, grace, and I am just happy that now Sam has finally found someone who compliments her so well. Sam, I'm happy now that you're happy and you're living your best life. Always take care of yourself, and well done. I hope you know you're lucky to have her. And I hope you know that after this, there's no return, no exchange. Thank you for loving our friend. We trust that she's in good hands. So to the happy couple, may your life together be filled with love, laughter, and more money to come. Congratulations!
Looking back, mga 2014, ibigay ko siyang mama. Because, at the time, sabi ko siyang mama na kami may magsikuyog na. Si Wildan, districto, ako mag-ino. But, the time na yung mama, Judaing na, I promise you sa yung mama na till the end na ako sa ilang pa. Especially si Wildan o si Kelvin. Okay, may mga lalaki. And then, the weekends ko ako niya mga anak is si Wildan. That's why na ulit ng ako Mindanao, pero magsige kong tambo. Actually, kaganinang alas 3 sa kadlaon wa ko matulog. Kaya mama og nagdamgo ko siya mama. Nagdugay ni tungod kami hapit pa ko katedral. Kay padagkuton pa ko siya mama. Happy kay siya. Iyang tanan. During sa time na dahil na yung mama, sige ko gingon, pahuway na ba? Higikapoy na ko tanaw ni mo. Ipatangtang na tanitanan. Nagsulat ko kami ng buha sa room. Nagsulat ko, kinsa may nakahold pa ni mo? Kevin? Kara? Dili. Wildan? Oo siya. Kasi napaway na kami, paulik na ko. Paulik na ko, wala ko'y tulog for 3 days. 3 days na kaming buha, bubuk dito sa room. Then, mga 3 days na, hindi ko kami pagla. Pahuway. Doon lang ng doktor mo ko. Pangtanaan siya kung sa iyo pag nakahold. Kaya ako, umuulik na ko sa Mindanao. Pero promise ko, sige, katulog na kayo, pauli na ko, pinakalas si Wena. Muto, himbali ko sa ospital, bit-bit na ko si Wena. Nalagol kasi mong mama. Pero before pa na, nag-chemo yung mama. Self-promise ako. Obi ako mga anak. Si Wildan. Si Kevin, makaapo ka ako. Para ko'y ako. Si Sandre. Si Sandre. Si Sandre. Proud ko. Mahulog na ako nga ako. Benson, kami si Kuko. Akong pinakatulong nga ako. Hindi ko matawagon sila na friend. No. Anak ako si 8 years. Hindi ako sila, kadugong kayo sila. Ako na po anak, kadugong kayo. Ako na anak. Sila, promise din ako na whatever may happen, at iisa na always be here. Maski magkinaon sa mga sakit, kalipay, tanan, chip ko niyo pa sa
And you are the answered prayer na finally Sam is happy with Coco and you. And so we're very grateful for you. Welcome to the Idiotic Elites!
And a joyous marriage to our friends Samantha and Weldon. We wish you all the best. Continue to be each other's safe space and shoulder to lean on. To Sam and Weldon, cheers!
To Sam and Weldon!